Dino Dash, how to create a dino. Step 1, create the body out of one ball of clay. Include the head and tail. The size and position of the neck, tail, and head will be the foundation for creating your unique dino. You may work from a reference image or your own imagination. Step 2, create the legs and arms out of small coils. This is where you decide if you want your dino standing on 2 or 4 legs. Don't forget to make the toes and fingers. Make sure you score and slip everything that you attach. Play with the position of the limbs to give the dino a unique personality. Step 3. Make the details on the face. Include the eyes, nose, and a mouth. This is where you can give your dino a unique emotion. Pay attention to the position of the mouth and the eyes to accomplish this. If you want, you can include other fun details like eyebrows, eyelashes, mustache, anything like that. It's your choice. Oh, and teeth. Step 4. Attach additional details to make your dino unique. You can give your dino a headband, backpack, tie, purse, hat. Anything's possible. Use your imagination. Step 5. Include spikes and textures. If you are making your dino realistic, you can include the texture of the skin and the location of the spikes. Here is my finished dino. Remember, be creative, have fun, and thank you so much for supporting the Dino Dash.